What's up guys, Aubrey back here with you for another video, and today we're going to be installing these aftermarket reference series infinity speakers. I believe they call them the 4012i into this 1988 Mazda B2200 with just the stock speakers. It does have a little sub in there and just a basic dual Walmart head unit. What we're going to be doing is turning the sub off, and I'll go ahead and balance the sound all the way over to the left, which will be the stock speaker, and then I'll balance it over to the right, which is the aftermarket speaker right here that we already installed into the right side. You guys will be able to see the difference. Alright, right now we're going to be doing the test for the stock speakers. And now the sound test for the Infinity reference series. Alright, so in my opinion, these speakers are definitely worth it. The amount that these speakers clear up the audio while also adding just a little bit of bass for under $50 for a set is awesome. If you guys have any questions about these speakers or want to give your opinion, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And if you like this content and would like to see more of it in the future, please do subscribe.